Hi, hello everyone. This is the next topic: components and props. And what the things is, as the React.org says, components let to split the UI component into independent, reusable pieces and think about each piece in isolation. This page provides introduction and idea of components, right? So what is the component? So like basically a simple JavaScript function, right? And these are the function is a valid real because it accepts a single props. It stands for properties, object argument with data, and returns a React element. We call such components functional components because they are literally JavaScript functions. So this is an example they have. So we call React. This is an example where they render the name. So we call the React DOM render with the name equal to Sarah element. React calls the welcome component with name Sarah as the props. Our welcome component returns a hello Sarah as the result. React dominant efficiently updates DOM to match hello sir. So finally it creates this H1 element. So let's go to code pen. This is the document and let us go to our stack list and paste this over here. And this you can change it to your name Kanya, right? So and you can change this to say welcome you, right? And this is not defined, so you change this to welcome you. So again, so this is how it works, right? So this is the element you create. This refers to that welcome you, and props are being passed. This is the name you are passing, and props dot name. So this is where it is being passed, and hello world, right? You can write it hello world, so you better understand. So this is how this works. So that's what they are trying to say over here. Yeah, and they say that no, you start the this is the naming convention, right? So you start with a capital letter, and because the other elements it will be treated as DOM, like div or h1 or something like that. So this is another example where these names are repeated. The composing components can repeat it multiple many times. So this name this is will be called multiple times. This props will be called multiple times. So Sarah 1, 2, 3, right? So something like that. So this is how it is called. Right. So so this is how it is being called, right? So so this is all. This is one example, and we have like no where this splits into a smaller extracting component. So they're able to split into uh, so this is an example where it accepts author and object text as a string date as props. So this is being split into multiple components, and finally I mean it renders over here, I mean in such way. So this is the format date, and this is the URL, and this is how it works. We'll paste it and see how it goes. So this is how it goes. Text render, date equal to text comment, comment author equal to this. So date equal to date. Hope you are enjoying React author. Hello Kitty. And this is the props you have. So in this you have the props dot author, props dot text, environment props dot date, and props dot username, props dot user. So this is the user info. This is the avatar and username, and format date. So basically, finally, it renders this as a date equal to comment dot date, text equal to comment dot text, and author equal to comment dot author. So this is a complex example, and basically this is where you get the kitten. I mean, this is where you can get an URL over there. So they're saying props are read only. So it should be something like a plus b, and you return the sum, and it should not be like this should be pure functions. It's not like impute, like where you change the input thing, and it should return a value. So all rate must act like pure function with respect to the props, and like basically props are immutable. That's what it says. So we end this with this on this note, and the next session will cover state and lifecycle.